Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's daily LeetCode question is sum of the left leaf nodes. So we are given a binary tree and we need to return the sum of all left leaf nodes. So we are given a root node of the binary tree. So now what is a leaf node? A leaf node that has no children means that is the end of the left subtree. So the left leaf node is a node that is left of the child of another node. So if we are given a tree like this, so this is the leaf node and this is the left leaf node because this has no childs and this is on the left side of the tree and this is a right child, it is also leaf node. So if this contains any node, so it is not a leaf node, this will become leaf node, but it comes under the left section of left lead node. So let's look into example to understand this problem clearly so we can code that problem easily. So we need to draw a dry run diagram or any of the diagram so that we can easily code such things. So let's look into it. So let this be our example. So here what are our left leaf nodes? 9 is our left leaf node, 15 is our left leaf node because they are on the left side of the subtree, right? For this node it is left and it is a leaf node, no childs. For this node it is left, it has no child, so this will be our sum. So 9 plus 5 is 24. So this is our 7 is also a leaf node, but it is not the left side of the subtree, it is the right side of the subtree. So we need not to include that, so we need not to calculate that value. So we will return 9 plus 5 equal to 24. So here you can observe anything that we can formulate. So let's look into it. So here the two approaches we can have. So one is DFS and another one is BFS. So if we go with DFS, so we need to, this is also called as pre-order traversal. If anyone of you knows what is pre-order traversal, so you can easily relate with DFS. So if anyone know level order traversal, so they can easily relate with BFS. So we can solve using both approach, but I will explain the approach of DFS. So now, so if we traversing, while we are traversing, we can just keep a count of what is a left node, what is a right node. So if I put a parameter while we are recursively calling the nodes, so if it is a right node, I will pass false as a parameter. If it is left node, I will pass true as a parameter. Okay guys, so for the left nodes I will just pass true as a parameter. It is leaf node or not, it will be another condition, but our first condition should be it should be a left node, then only we can check that if it is a leaf node or not. Okay guys, now for the right node I will pass false as a parameter. So now you can clearly see that what are the left leaf nodes, 9 and 15. So we can just add them to sum and we can return it. Okay guys, now let's look into the code explanation. Okay guys, now let's look into the code explanation. So first we will be initializing a class variable result, so to store the sum of the left leaf nodes. Okay guys, now we will be initializing result variable, then we will be using an helper function to traverse the tree. So at the beginning of the helper function we will be passing root node and false because this is a parent node, this is not a left or right node, so this is a parent node, so we will be passing false as a parameter. So in helper function we will be accepting node and a boolean value is left. So if it is left, so it is left node, then only we can check that if it is a leaf node or not. Okay friends, now you can see that our first condition is is left not equal to null. If any child is of the left of that node, so it is not a leaf node obviously, so we need not to check anything, we will just traversal to that node. Okay, that is BFS. So BFS travels from left, root, then right. Sorry friends, BFS travels from left, right, and then root. So this will be our BFS approach. So we will be traversing from 3 to 9 because left node is not null. So then we will pass left node has a parameter to the helper function recursively calling, then true as a parameter because it is a left node. Yes guys, yes. Then in that iteration we will be checking, is this contains any left node? No, so it will execute the else block. So if it is executing the else block, it is checking that it is a left node and that node right should be equal to null because it shouldn't contain any nodes. Sorry guys, so that it will be checking. So it is a leaf node, it is a left node, so then we will be adding that value to our result. Else we will just call our right, check if our right is not equal to null, and we will just call the right function. So I hope you understand the solution and intuition. So code is in the GitHub. Thank you.